A lot goes into farming with few guarantees. Axel is a new online equipment rental platform designed to take the unpredictability out of hiring and listing quality equipment.
The app helped us a lot. We previously tried to market our own machines and equipment for renting, and then the Axel app came and it just made it so much easier for us.
Axel is fast and easy. In only a few simple steps, you can find, hire and pay for the equipment of your choice. All equipment and owners are quality rated, and payments are done via a secure online payment process for your peace of mind.
The feedback that we got is good. It is painless and simple to find equipment on the app, to put in a request to rent it and then to follow it through with a payment.
Axel also enables you to earn additional revenue from your assets. Whether you are a rental business, a contractor or a farmer with capacity on your fleet, Axel provides you with a platform to safely list and earn from your equipment.
Also, basically click of a button, you type in all your information on the equipment, your year models, your hours, load the pictures, and you do everything yourself. And it's a quick process. It's very easy to do.
Upfront payment is guaranteed with the Axel automated account collections and invoicing, enabling you to effortlessly manage your billings and bookings.
It's awesome. You join it for free basically, and if a farmer phones me in the Northern Cape, a new client, and says, listen, I've got another 1,000 hectares to harvest, and I tell him, listen, I don't have the equipment, give me 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I'll phone you back. I go on the app, look for machinery, find one which fits my budget, and I rent it, and there we go. I can take the job on.
Sign up with Axel today and let's work together on a brighter business future.